Welcome to my new YouTube video where we are going to perform installation of a Bluetooth headset on any kind of helmet you have. So I have Exor Apex Hex 2, right? And I have ordered EDYELL C5 headset from Amazon, and it's not an affiliated video or it's not a sponsored video, by the way. This is something I'm very new to, and I do not have any previous experience related to Bluetooth headset. However, I have performed my research regarding this, and I would like to test it by myself by purchasing and playing around, and then in future I will put out some reviews regarding that as well. So let's get started actually. So starting with the video, and this is how the box looks like. If you can see, yeah, it's a very compact box. So if you open it, I have already opened it by the way. So when you open it, you're going to see a plastic case where your device is, stacked up right here. So I'll just take it out, and this is how it looks. So it has buttons like this is for power on and off. This is for LED function or if it is working or not, right? These two buttons are for a volume up and volume down. This is your voice assistant, right? That you can use via Google Assistant or Siri. And then you have this jack of power. I mean, you can put your C-type cable and then charge your headset. Then here is the microphone jack that will be going inside, right? The battery is 800 mAh and 3.7 volts, so it's made in China. And yep, we can ready to test it out. But before testing out, I would like to perform the installation where I'll be keeping this headset on my helmet. So let's begin. So these are the velcros that we will put or we will paste inside the shell that will be sticking with our speakers, right? This is the clamp of headset. I'll be showing you how to clamp it, and these are pretty much the wires that all you need. Just quickly have a look at these. This is hard microphone. Why it is hard microphone is because if you have a half face helmet or duck helmet or a hybrid helmet that pulls up and down, becomes full and becomes half simultaneously, so you can use it for that purpose. And this is soft microphone. I'll be utilizing this soft microphone in my helmet. Apart from that, these are speakers that will be going inside once I remove the padding of the helmet. Let us begin the installation, and you will also get a manual and the charging cable USB A to C. So let us begin. So the first step is to take helmet and remove all the inner lining. So let's start. In my Exor Apex Hex 2, I can remove all of these paddings and this padding as well. Don't skip this step. Before applying the Velcro pads, wipe the inner shell of the helmet with a microfiber cloth. A clean surface helps the adhesive achieve a stronger bond, reducing the chances of the pads coming loose over time. Now comes the next part, which is sticking up these velcros inside the area that have been provided on your helmet. Let me tear up this white sheet, and then paste it inside the helmet. I hope this is visible. I'll do the same for the another one. The another part is to attach the clamp, and I have to decide where I'll be keeping this clamp, because in my Apex X2 I have this sun visor slider which comes on and off by sliding this button. So I'll probably go with the right side configuration. Take the base clamp and carefully pull the clip away from the bracket. Then slide it into the gap between the helmet's outer shell and inner liner. Since my Exor Apex X2 has a rubber trim around the edge, fitting the clamp took a little extra effort. Once installed correctly, the clamp should feel solid and shouldn't move around. I have attached this clamp here. We will actually put this gadget on this clamp. How you're gonna do it? So at the back you will see these two hooks that will be going inside into these areas. Your Bluetooth device is ready. Here you can see it is perfectly mounted here. The clip strength is very great. It is really holding it tight. And now we are going to paste the speakers. So when you are going with pasting of the speakers, you have to first understand that both the speakers are not of the same length. By that I mean the left speaker is small in size as compared to the right speaker, or the right one is smaller than the left one. It is because the shorter one will go adjacent to the headset you have put, and the longer one will go with the wiring all over placed on the opposite side. So I'll show you. Pick the shorter one, choose the side where you have put your headset. You can look at the back of the speaker. There are four holes, small holes, that you will have to place it on the velcro that you have put adjacent, or you know near your Bluetooth headset. And now take the longer wired speaker and put it on the opposite side. So here wiring will be completely tucked in from here, and this microphone jack will be going on this portion. Your wiring is almost done. What one thing remaining is the soft microphone that is going to be jacked in this particular point. If you look carefully on the speaker side, apart from two speakers and one microphone jack, there is also this particular cable that is provided to us, so we can either place the soft microphone, or I'll be going with the soft microphone. So henceforth I'll be attaching this cable. I'll be using this smaller velcro directly facing towards my mouth. So this is where I want my microphone to be placed. So whenever I'm on the call, I do not want my voice to get diminished just because I have placed it beneath the padding. That will drag the sound very low. So I will also adjust these wirings once I have done all of these configurations. So here you can see I have placed my soft microphone upon the velcro that I have pasted, and all the wiring is completed. I'll be putting all of these wirings. I will be either using the tape to tidy up all of these wirings so wiring do not get loose, or I'll just place it behind the paddings. So this is how your Bluetooth headset will look like. Only this wiring is being showcased here, and all of these wiring is beneath these inner paddings, and it looks very clean. It is very compact, and let us now test. I have already charged it to 100%, so I'll just press and hold the button, and here you can see the lights are on. I'll use my smartphone to connect with this and click on a pair a new device and let it search for a while, and there you go, it shows C5. So I'll click on the C5 and I'll pair it. So once your device is paired, you will see these lights showing here and there, and I hope I can change the lighting with this M button. You click on this button, it shows multiple lights, whatever the color suits you, you can just put it on. I'll just probably go with the red because it goes with the outer shell of the helmet. And now I'll just quickly turn the volume to the full. It is working very well. Let's test all the functions. So I'll click on this button. See, my assistant is now alive. I'll click on this button and it will change the color. Let's check all the colors. So, so after a single color, it will blink and give a continuous tone of all the colors. And then it will show you like a disco light and reverse disco light and different modes of colors. Yes. And the best part of this EDYELL C5 Bluetooth headset is that I got it from Amazon around 1800 only. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.